Hey, Basic MTB here. Got a real short one today. This bike came with a chain guide, which I think is kind of nice actually. This is not a clutch derailleur system, so there is a fair bit of chain slap, and you don't want that chain falling off. So what they did was they put this chain guide on the top that helps to make sure your chain stays on your front sprocket. However, I noticed that when you're in the highest gear, the chain just barely grazes. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It just barely grazes that chain guide. Luckily, it's adjustable with this screw, or rather this Allen key right there. I'm not sure what size it is. It looks like it's about a 4. Good guess. So we're gonna give this about a turn or two to loosen it. Maybe a little more than that. There we go. So we're gonna put we're gonna shift till it's right in the middle gear. It's 9 speed, so I guess that would be right about there-ish. And we're gonna make this as centered as possible for that middle gear, and that should get it to be pretty good for both the high and the low. So let's check. All the way down. All right. Right now we're in our highest gear. There's plenty of space. Let's shift low. All right, we're in our lowest gear. Yep, there's plenty of space there too. So like I said, short video. Just wanted to let you know if you have a little bit of scraping sound coming from the front, that's probably this chain guide. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Appreciate you watching and have a great day.